Welcome to qnawire.
Suppose that a ball is rolling down a ramp, and the distance traveled by the ball is given by the function s of t equals 9t squared, where t is the time in seconds after the ball is released, and s of t is measured in feet. We want to find the ball's average velocity in each of the following intervals. And we're looking at from an interval from, as we can see, 3 to 4. So we want the change in the function, so that would be, well, I'll do s of 4 minus s of 3 compared with the change in t, which would be 4 minus 3. Well, s of 4 is 9 times 4 squared. 9 times 4 squared is 144. S of 3 would be 9 times 3 squared, and 9 times 3 squared is 81. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 144 minus 81 is 63. 63 feet per second would be the average velocity in this interval.